Hello, my name is Andrew, and today I am going to talk about seasons again. Right now, the time is 7:30 in the evening. 7:30 in the evening, or 7:30 p.m. And today it is Saturday. Yes. Right now, the weather is snowing. It is cold outside. Seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn or fall. Autumn, fall, fall, autumn. They are the same. Now, a question: why are there seasons? Why is it cold in December, January, and February during winter? Why is it warm in June, July, and August? And why is it in between? So cold, warm, and in between. And why is it in between in March, April, and May during spring, and September, October, and November during autumn? And one more question: why is it the other way around in Australia? So in the UK, it is winter in December, January, and February, but in Australia, it is summer in December, January, and February. Why? Watch. This is the sun. This is the sun. And this is Earth. This is the sun, and this is Earth. And Earth orbits the sun. Earth orbits the sun. How long does it take the Earth to orbit the sun once? It takes 1 year. And 1 year is equal to 365 days. Well, it actually takes 365 days and 1 quarter. But for now, we will forget about this quarter. So it takes 365 days for the Earth to orbit the sun once. But, interesting point, the Earth does not face the sun. No, the Earth is tilted. What does tilted mean? Look, this is a tree. This tree is straight. But look, this tree is not straight. This tree is tilted, and so is the Earth. The Earth is tilted away from the sun. It is tilted at an angle. What is an angle? Look. This is a triangle, a three-sided shape, and triangles have three angles. 1, 2, 3. These angles add up to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 3 angles. The Earth is tilted away from the Sun at an angle of 23.5 degrees, or 23.5 degrees. What does this mean? Look, in the UK, the shortest day is the 21st of December. This is the Earth on the 21st of December. On the 21st of December, the northern hemisphere, this is the northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun, away, and the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. So, on the 21st of December in the UK, it is winter. It is cold and dark. On the 21st of December, the Sun rises at 9 a.m. 9 in the morning, and sets at 4 p.m. or 4 in the afternoon. Yep. This is the Earth on the 21st of December. Now look, this is the Earth on the 21st of June. This is the Earth on the 21st of December, and this is the Earth on the 21st of June. Look, on the 21st of June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, and the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. This means that it is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. The 21st of June is the longest day in the northern hemisphere. In the UK, the sun rises at about 4 a.m. or 4 in the morning, and the sun sets at about 10 p.m. or 10 in the evening or 10 at night. And of course, with the longer days comes the sun and the heat. Of course, the summer in the northern hemisphere is warm. And one more thing, the spring and the autumn are when the earth is in between here and here. This is the spring, and this is the autumn or fall. And when it is spring in the northern hemisphere, it is autumn in the southern hemisphere. And when it is spring in the southern hemisphere, it is autumn in the northern hemisphere. During the winter and the summer, the earth is not closer or further from the sun. No, the earth is the same equal distance from the sun. So the earth is the same distance from the sun in winter and summer. The seasons are because the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the sun. So now you know why there are seasons, why it is warm in the summer, and why it is cold in the winter. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.